Is artificial intelligence to blame for job losses? In recent years, layoffs in the tech industry have become a disturbing trend. For example, with big names like Meta, Amazon, and Twitter announcing significant job cuts. The culprit? Artificial intelligence and automation. Now, as these technologies continue to reshape the workforce, many are asking, is artificial intelligence really the reason behind these mass layoffs? Or is there something more at play? Now, artificial intelligence is no longer a distant concept. It's becoming a mainstay in businesses worldwide. Now, according to World Economic Forum, artificial intelligence market growth is expected to rise from 136 billion in 2022 to 1.8 trillion by 2030. In tech companies, artificial intelligence is being leveraged to improve efficiency, cut costs, and drive innovation. Indian companies like Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, and Infosys are embracing AI to offer automation solutions, improving service delivery, and reduce human involvement in mundane or day-to-day tasks. For example, TCS uses AI-driven systems to predictive analytics, which significantly reduces the need for human intervention in routine operations. While these advancements improve business operations, they also prompt a tough question. Are we sacrificing jobs for efficiency? While AI boosts efficiency, it also leads to job displacement. According to World Economic Forum, 85 million jobs are expected to be displaced globally due to AI by 2025, although 97 million new roles will emerge. The issue lies in the transition. How do workers, especially those in routine jobs, keep up with this change? In India, millions are employed in the IT services sector, where automation and AI are increasingly replacing human labor. Companies like Wipro and Infosys have embraced automation to improve their competitive edge. In 2022, Wipro announced it would reduce 600 jobs as part of its shift towards more automated systems. Similarly, Indian Railways has introduced AI-powered ticketing systems, reducing the need for human ticket clerks. But it's not just large corporations. Small businesses and startups are also integrating AI to improve productivity. In India's BPO sector, which traditionally employed millions, automation technologies are expected to put up to 60% of jobs at risk in the coming years, especially those in customer service and back office operations. So the question is AI a double-edged sword? Now, while AI enhances efficiency, it also disrupts the workforce. Many companies are choosing AI over human labor because it is faster and cheaper. In fact, a study revealed that 55% of current jobs are susceptible to automation in the near future, with entry-level positions being the most vulnerable. Take the example of Amazon, which has been automating its warehouses using robots and AI. Now, these robots can process orders faster than human workers, leading to significant layoffs. Similarly, Indian tech giants like Wipro and HCL are adopting AI to handle tasks such as data entry, customer interactions, and technical support, eliminating the need for human involvement in many cases. In this context, as it's essential to note that AI is not inherently the cause of layoffs. Rather, it is part of a broader strategy to optimize operations and reduce costs. AI is a tool used by companies to increase productivity, but it's often implemented in ways that don't account for its impact on the workforce. So, as AI continues to rise, the solution to the challenges it presents lies in reskilling and upskilling workers. It's not just about AI replacing jobs, it's about humans adapting to new roles created by technology. In India, the government has launched several initiatives to equip workers with new skills. Programs like Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana focus on training workers in sectors like AI, machine learning, and data science. Companies like TCS are investing in AI training to ensure that their existing workforce is not left behind. Furthermore, in India's growing startup ecosystem, AI is creating opportunities in emerging fields such as healthcare, education, and agriculture. Startups like Nirmay, which uses AI for breast cancer detection, and AgriMind, which applies AI to optimize farming, these companies are paving the way for new types of jobs. What's the future? What is AI's role in the future? Now, while AI undoubtedly affects the job market, it's important to understand that its potential for innovation and efficiency is immense. The key challenge is ensuring that workers are equipped to handle this shift. As AI continues to evolve, it will inevitably create new job roles, especially in tech and engineering fields. However, this will only happen if workers, businesses, and governments collaborate on upskilling programs and workforce transition plans. So, all in conclusion, AI is not the enemy. It is a tool, a powerful tool that, when properly harnessed, can unlock countless opportunities. However, its rise must be accompanied by strategic planning, reskilling efforts, and policies that support workers. The future of work will not be about AI replacing humans. It will be about humans and AI working together to create a more innovative, productive, and inclusive world.